see them blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hey guys, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so what I'm going to be talking to you guys about today is my hair care routine, basically what I use for my hair care routine, and about the Olaplex shampoos. Okay, you guys, so if you never heard of Olaplex before, let me give you a quick background about it. Okay, so their website states that you can use Olaplex to restore damaged and compromised hair or add it to any other service to provide the ultimate breakage insurance. And they have different products, you guys, of how you can use these for your hair. Okay, so let me give you a quick background of why I actually even bought this shampoo right here. The reason why I bought this shampoo was because I was having some really crazy bad hair problems, like hair thinning out, really bad breakage. When I would wash my hair, it would like just literally become like hay. And so no matter what shampoo I used, I tried different types of shampoo, and I wasn't like the type of person to switch from shampoo to shampoo. I normally will switch like every 3 months, and it just wasn't working for me. So then I happened to see this on TikTok, and TikTokers were saying that this has been really helpful for their hair. So at some point I was pretty desperate, and I'm just like, I'm just gonna freaking give this a chance and a shot and see how it does. Alright, so I have the shampoo by Olaplex and I have the conditioner by Olaplex. They say like number 4, number 5 on there because they have actually a whole package of what you can buy and put in your hair. The only thing is, when I went to Sephora, they didn't actually have the whole set available, which I totally didn't mind. I honestly was looking for something so my hair would stop breaking, and it does what it says pretty much. It helps severely damaged hair or dry and brittle hair. But I also had the shampoo I felt just wasn't enough as well. So I end up purchasing this, which is their Olaplex Bonding Oil. I literally, you guys, I was freaking desperate. Like I have pictures of how much of pretty much my hair broke off or fell out, and it has improved a whole lot. So I will get, to what the price point is for these products. I'm going to tell you right now, they're definitely not cheap. So if you're a type of person who likes to use very inexpensive hair products in your hair, this is not for you, sadly. 2 things my mom always would tell me: don't ever go cheap on makeup because you can never get your skin back, and second, don't ever go cheap on your hair because you can never get that back once you get older either. I mean, yeah, you could probably wear a wig, but I thought about wearing wigs, but that it's just too much for me. Like, it takes way too much time to put it on, and then I would have to take it back off. Like, no. And then what if I get into hypothetically, what if I were to get into some type of altercation and then my wig would come off? Like, no. Okay, side note, got distracted. Back to the Olaplex. Okay, so pretty much what this does, it reduces frizz and flyaways, extends colors, renew transparency, heat protection up to 450 degrees, shortens drying time, softens and detangles. It's UV protection as well, color safe, vegan, and alcohol free. So that is a major thing about these Olaplex products, you guys, that they are alcohol free. And if you look at the majority of your shampoos, they're gonna have like silicones in it, they're gonna have parabens in them, is it parabens, and then they're going to have alcohol in it. This has a lot of great natural products, also cruelty free, FYI, and vegan. So this brand is actually made in California. Yay, California, that's where I'm from. So yes, you guys, this stuff is freaking amazing, and it smells so good. Okay, let me give you a little bit of, I didn't think this stuff was actually gonna work. It's basically a hair oil, but it smells absolutely amazing. Again, you pretty much pour it into your hands and then you lather it through your scalp, and you can also use it as a hair oil as stated before, or as a heat protectant. I personally like to lather it through my scalp, which I have already done today, and ran it through my hair. I do this even before I go to sleep. It does not make your hair any greasy at all. It's very, very nice. I really like the way that this stuff works, and it doesn't look like you put like a whole bunch of oil in your hair. So that's one thing I really, really like about this. And when it says it reduces frizz, holy moly guacamole, it does. Because normally when I get out of the shower or when I go to sleep, my hair would just go woof. My hair is not straight at all. It's very, very wavy, so I will end up looking like a troll. And I was having a really hard time because my hair would just get all matted up, and just like it would be like this when I wake up, and I would have to like comb it out really slowly. It was so bad, you guys. It was just so bad. If I were to go to a hairstylist, it would be like that one movie with Adam Sandler's and Jennifer Aniston, where he's like, no, hell no. So yeah, you guys, this stuff is a lifesaver. When you wake up the next morning, my hair is almost practically straight, like if I straighten it. That's how much this reduces the frizz, and that is how much I really love this stuff. Okay, yes, so this is just a quick review of what I thought about the Olaplex shampoo and what I thought about this oil. I'm going to say yes to it all, and if you're wondering what the price cost is for all of these things, are $28 each. I know you guys are probably like wondering, girl, you are freaking crazy, but literally for my hair, there's not going to be a price for my hair. So I mean, by all means, everyone has their own opinion, and if you want to use the hair stuff and it's working for you, that is fantastic. But I will continue to use this until I feel it's not needed, and maybe I could switch out to a different Sephora shampoo. I have always used higher end shampoos. It's just the one that I was using prior was not, for some reason, working for me, or I don't know what the heck was just going on with my hair, you guys. It could be stress, it could be many things. So yes, I do recommend all of these products. This right here is the Olaplex Bonding Oil, the shampoo, and the conditioner. $28 each at Sephora. But will I buy again? Yes, I would buy again. Did it help my hair? It helped my hair like crazy. I wish you guys took before and afters of my hair and what was going on with it. My mom could vouch for me, my fiance can vouch for me, that there was definitely something going on with my whole head, and it was absolutely crazy. I do have two other products to mention, you guys, that are not Olaplex related, and this is also not Olaplex related, but they are hair related, and I think it's very, very helpful, or should be mentioned in this video since it is geared more towards about hair. If you never heard of this brand, I have mentioned this brand before in my Health is Wealth video. These are actually hair vitamins. So it's called Hair Sweet Hair by Hum. Hum also sells these amazing collagen collagen pills. They are so amazing for your skin, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get these for my hair, and so far I have seen a tremendous difference. I've been using all of these products, the Olaplex, the Hum, for a good month now, so I can give you like a good overview of what I thought about how these products were working. And I did see a difference, you guys, and I have seen a difference, and I truly think that this stuff right here really does help along with the Olaplex. So if you're not taking any type of hair vitamin and you're having trouble with your hair, I would highly recommend this. I got this on Amazon. I think it was like 20 bucks. You get a decent amount of gummies in here, and they are so good. If you're wondering what's in here, is you have biotin, zinc, B12, PABA. Now I know that biotin does make some of you guys break out, but this doesn't have a high level of biotin in it, so this has not really affected my skin that much. So that is the reason why I do recommend this brand. I know the other brands like Sugar Bear stuff have a higher content of biotin, which can potentially cause you guys to break out, so that's never always good. Let me see. And and it says right here, dietary supplement, 60 vegan berry gummy hearts come in this bottle. So yes, I do recommend this. This is again. It's called Hair Sweet Hair. And lastly, I have this thermal spray, which is a blow mist spray. It's by Kenra, also another cruelty-free brand that's not tested on animals. It smells so amazing. Oh my goodness. If you guys are looking for a heat protectant spray and you don't want to use the Olaplex, or you're just not, you know, the type of person to rub more of an oily substance on your hands or through your hair, this comes in a bottle and it sprays on your hair, and it's so amazing and it smells so good. And this is basically thermal protectant, ultra lightweight, will protect your hair when you straighten it, blow dry it, or any of that nature, and it smells so amazing. So I am going to spray this on my hair and do my hair with my hair sheet straightener and come back and show you the final look, and we will conclude this video. Okay guys, and this is the final look of how my hair turned out with all of these amazing products right here. So yes everyone, that concludes my video about the Olaplex products. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're having hair trouble like me and you're just desperate at one point and you don't know what to do anymore, try Olaplex. I know it's pricey, but it's really worth it, especially if you're having really bad hair problems with thinning out, falling out, breakage, and all of that nature. Give this a shot. And like I said, if you're not a fan of this, then please do give this a shot, this Kenra stuff. But this literally right here helps your hair with breakage, unlike this one only just protects against heat. And if you're wondering what hair straightener I use, I'm using the hair straightener by She, and I got this like I think at Marshall's for like 40 or 50, 60 bucks, somewhere around there. Very inexpensive, but a very good brand. And if you guys did like this video, please subscribe to my channel for the love of hair. If you love hair, then please subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment below on what you thought about this video. I know you're probably gonna be like, girl, that's too much for a hair product, but no price on hair for me. And as always, you guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I will see you all on the next one. Okay, bye.